channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest, Leaf. She's my cousin from Mexico, and today we're going to be showing you some slime that we just made in the garage. And we kind of made a mess. Okay, so starting with hers, the harder one, and mine, the pretty one. So, the ingredients you need: glue, Tide, and shaving cream. That's all we used, and then we need glue. So let's get started. So right now we're just taking out slime, and I made more than hers. She's going well. She just knows Spanish, but I'm going to stop the learning. So I'm just gonna hand out some. By the way, we're doing this in the bathroom because we have some messages in the house. Little girl wants to keep going. It's the only quiet place you can do. And jump on it. And down. And you see the shirt out and down classes, so so this is my thing. Super big. Ooh, look at that bubble, guys. Oh no, this is so pretty. And this, but this is perfect. The small slime. No. This is the biggest slime. See you guys. So we're gonna
Thank you.
So this is mine.